Every single person you meet today will lie to you, not with malicious intent, but with a mask so perfectly crafted, even they believe it's real. Your colleague who says they're fine with your promotion. Your friend who claims they're happy for your success. Even your own family members wear masks so seamlessly, you've never questioned what lies beneath. This isn't a character flaw, it's human evolution. For thousands of years, survival depended on reading social hierarchies correctly. Those who revealed too much truth were exiled. Those who concealed their intentions thrived. Your brain inherited this programming. Every social interaction is a chess game. The mother who says, "I'm not disappointed," while her voice cracks. The boss who claims budget cuts aren't personal, while avoiding eye contact. Even the most honest people you know are unconsciously manipulating every conversation. They adjust their tone to get sympathy. They time their request perfectly. They mirror your energy to build rapport, all while believing they're being completely authentic. But here's what they don't know. Every mask has cracks. If you're finding value in this, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Now that you understand the mask, let's talk about the cracks in it. Every human face leaks truth in the first 7 seconds of any interaction. These micro-expressions flash for just milliseconds, but they tell you everything. Most people miss these signals entirely. You won't. The first expression that betrays intent is contempt. It's a slight pull at one corner of the mouth. When someone feels superior or dismissive, this micro-expression leaks before they can control it. The second is fear. Watch for the whites of their eyes to show momentarily. Fear reveals what they're trying to hide. It's their subconscious screaming the truth. The third is disgust. A brief wrinkle of the nose, barely visible. Disgust appears when they're forced to say something that contradicts their true beliefs. But here's the master key. The forced smile. A genuine smile engages the entire face. Eyes crinkle. Cheeks rise naturally. A forced smile only uses the mouth. The eyes remain cold. Dead. When someone gives you a forced smile, they're hiding their true agenda. Master these 3 expressions, and you'll see through anyone's facade in seconds. Building on what we covered with micro-expressions, there's another betrayal happening right under your nose. Every word they speak carries invisible fingerprints of deception. Their voice becomes a confession booth they can't escape from. When someone lies, their vocal cords tighten involuntarily. Listen for that subtle pitch elevation. The voice climbing higher under pressure. Notice how their breathing becomes shallow, creating micro breaks in their speech pattern. But manipulation has its own signature sound. Manipulators artificially lower their tone to appear more trustworthy. They slow down their speech, trying to hypnotize you into compliance. Watch for the vocal switch when they think they've hooked you. People with hidden agendas reveal themselves through their pause patterns. They pause too long before answering direct questions about their motives. Or, they rush through explanations, desperate to move past uncomfortable territory. Their voice becomes the roadmap to their true intentions. But there's one question that cuts through every vocal disguise they wear. Building on what we covered with micro-expressions and voice patterns, there's one weapon that cuts deeper than any observation technique. A single question so direct, so unexpected, that it shatters their carefully constructed facade in seconds. Most people spend their entire lives hiding behind layers of social conditioning and politeness. They've rehearsed their responses to small talk, to gentle probing, to casual conversation. But they've never prepared for someone who cuts straight through the noise with surgical precision. The psychological pressure point question works because it bypasses their conscious filters entirely. When someone expects polite conversation but receives raw directness, their brain short-circuits. For exactly 3 to 5 seconds their guard drops completely, and the truth spills out. The key is asking something that forces them to reveal their core motivation without warning. Instead of asking what they want, you ask why they really need it to happen. The word "need" triggers something primal, something they can't fake or rehearse. But here's the crucial part. Your tone must remain curious, never accusatory. The moment they sense confrontation, their defenses activate, and the window closes forever. Ask like you're genuinely fascinated by their answer, not like you're interrogating them. Master this one question, and you'll watch people reveal their deepest motivations without even realizing it. Their mouth lies, but their body screams the truth. While they craft perfect words, their unconscious mind betrays them through positioning. Watch their feet. When someone truly wants to connect, their entire body points toward you. But when they harbor hidden intentions, their body creates distance. Their hands become weapons of deception. Gestures that don't match their words. Open palms signal honesty. But watch for the subtle palm concealment. Pointing gestures become aggressive when they're compensating for weak arguments. The defensive fortress. When someone has a hidden agenda, their body builds walls. Crossed arms. Clasped hands forming shields. Objects positioned as barriers. Even their breathing changes. Shallow, controlled breaths when guarding secrets. The shoulder tell. One shoulder slightly raised reveals internal stress and dishonesty. Their spine becomes rigid when defending lies. Flexibility dies with honesty. Building on voice patterns. Body language completes the deception triangle. Now you can read their entire system. But there's one final trap that breaks everyone. Here's something most people fear more than death itself. Silence. While you've been learning to read micro-expressions and voice patterns, the most powerful weapon has been hiding in plain sight. The silence trap technique exploits humanity's deepest psychological weakness: the need to fill empty space with words. When you stop talking after asking a probing question, something primal happens in their brain. The uncomfortable silence creates psychological pressure. They feel compelled to break it. Most people can't handle more than 7 seconds of dead air. That's when the truth spills out. They start over-explaining, adding unnecessary details, revealing information they never intended to share. Here's the key. Your silence must feel intentional, not awkward. You're not uncomfortable. You're listening. Lean back slightly. Maintain eye contact. Let the weight of your attention do the work. Patient observation beats reaction every single time. The person who speaks first loses. When they finally break the silence, they often reveal their true motivations in the first 10 words. The silence trap works because it reverses the power dynamic. You become the judge, they become the defendant. Remember, uncomfortable silence is only uncomfortable for the person with something to hide. Now you have the tools to see through their masks. But knowing the techniques means nothing without the complete system. Now comes the moment of truth. The 60-second protocol that strips away every mask. First 15 seconds. Deploy your strategic question while maintaining unwavering eye contact. As we discussed, watch their micro-expressions in that critical 3-second window. Seconds 16 to 30. Listen for voice pattern disruptions while they formulate their response. Their body will betray them. Watch for the defensive positioning and barrier creation. Seconds 31 to 45. Deploy the silence trap. Let the uncomfortable pause work its magic. Watch them squirm. The truth always emerges in the vacuum of silence. Final 15 seconds. They'll reveal everything through overcompensation or complete withdrawal. Building on what we covered, every technique converges in this critical minute. You now possess their truth. But knowledge without wisdom is dangerous. Never reveal that you know. Your power lies in silent understanding. Use this knowledge to protect yourself, not to destroy others. The greatest warriors win, without fighting. The wisest readers see without being seen. You now hold the keys to human nature itself. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button, and subscribe for more.